Alright guys, today we need to valve adjustment. So this engine is a QSX15. I think this is a 2015 model or 2014, like that. So this is a agricultural equipment. So John Deere model niya is model is 9620 RX. So this is a QIX. Okay, so yan guys. So here's the valve clearance. So intake 14,000 inch, exhaust 27,000 inch. Okay guys, so follow the instruction on here. So we need to rotate at here at the front of the what you call this, air compressor adapter. So we need a 3/4 inch extension small socket, small extension small, and we need to find the letter ABC. So right now it's on C, but here's your marking. So if you see this letter C, and there's a dot slash like that, so make sure it's indicate on here before like that. So I give you the information. Actually I already write here guys. So this QSX is almost the same procedure on the ISX regular. So guys, I have here. So yeah, firing order 153624. So follow the letter on the fully ABC. So A is 1 in 6, B 5 in 2, C 3 in 4. Yeah, so here's the intake 14,000, exhaust, and torque 8 Newton meter or 71 inch pounds. Okay, if you need a conversion, sir, 1 inch pound is equals to 0.083. Okay, or 1 foot pound is equals to 12 inch pounds. Okay, so just only follow guys. So why I need to adjust the valve, that's maintenance. So I think this is more than 10,000 hours since brand new, never adjusting. So this is the first time to adjust the valve. So I think it's almost 5 years ago this unit, this equipment, before we do the 4 adjustments. So why guys we need to adjust? It's because of little bit knocking. It's because I think it's the valve brush or the valve clearance is almost big, because I think it's the limit on this adjustments is intake is the limit only until 22,000 per inch, but it's like that guys, and the exhaust is almost 33,000 per inch. Above there it's fail, so we need to perform for adjust. Okay guys, so right now we need to talk the valve cover first. Alright guys, so natanggal na natin yung cover. So right now is already letter C. And letter C is 3 and 4. So let's check number 4. So always guys, the intake is a longer arm on the exhaust arm. So right now is the intake, it's not loose. Check on number 3, loose the intake. So we already have a number 3. So let's try to adjust her. Okay guys, so for safety purposes, make sure the ignition key is off, battery is disconnect, and the key, keep it to make sure nobody's trying to start. Okay, for safety purposes only. Okay guys, so just only valves, because the injector is electronic, so don't do that, just only valve to check it. Alright guys, so this intake, itong intake natin is medyo nasa tamang clearance, so no need to touch this. So it's already here on the clearance. So it's number 14, it's intake. So but the exhaust I trying to 26, but can put properly, so it's too tight. So this one, the exhaust, we need to adjust. This is a 26, but we need the 27, but the 26 can put in. So the clearance is 210, so this is not good.
Ito yung net pin mo?
Ha? Loose. Alright guys, so almost done for the exhaust side of number 3. So I don't have 27 inches of filler gauge, so I use 2 filler gauge on exhaust side. So one is 12 and one is 15 equals to 27. Okay, should be good. Now let's start. Okay guys, so torque in this nut is only 6 foot-pounds. Just only 6 foot-pounds. Okay, so this intake is nothing worried because it's almost standard. Okay, it's number 14. Okay, so number 3, it's done. So let's turn it, follow the firing order. So number 3 is done. So letter C, number 3. So C is 3 and 4. Now put on letter B. So follow the firing order 1, 5, 3, 6, 2, 4. Turn is clockwise, front of the engine. So letter B 1, 5, 3, 6. Letter E. So it's already on the compression side. 1, 5, 3. So that's a letter E. So just wait. Okay guys, so you see that marking letter A, it's on here. So it's number 6. So let's check number 6 here. Okay, loss on the bridge, perfect. So let's check the clearance guys. Let's check first on the intake side. Always remember, intake's arm is longer than the exhaust arm. Okay guys, so intake should be good. No, do not touch on the intake. So let's check on the exhaust. Okay guys, so exhaust again, it's too tight. I use 26, but it's too tight. But we need the standard is 27. It's too tight, so we need to readjust at exhaust on number 6. So yeah, I use two failure grids for 27, 12, and 15. Equals to 27. So let's lose that. A torque rod 6 foot-pounds. Okay. Check again. Okay guys, should be good. Check. Okay. Okay guys, that's it. So just follow only the firing order. The first thing A once, the next B 5, the next C 3, the next A again 6, the next B again 2, the next C, it's 4. That's it. And another one next, 1 again, A. So okay guys, so that's it. Just only follow the instruction and we hope you good. Oops, sorry guys. So correction, this lock nut, the torque is 36, 35 to 36 foot-pounds. Okay, not 6 foot-pounds. Correction only. Okay, shout out nga pala kay Torque and Horses ng Australia, Cummins guy. So thank you so much for the giving me info about the torque and everything. Torque and Horses, thank you so much guys. So please give us support for Torque and Horses at Australia Cummins. So if you have any question regarding on any kind of motor of Cummins, don't hesitate to contact at Torque and Horses in the YouTube channel. Please visit. Okay, he's almost decade in the Cummins. Okay, thank you so much, Frey. Okay guys, so yeah, this is between 35 to 36. I give it her 36 foot-pound for maximum. Yeah, and I'm almost done for her. This is my last number 4, 153624. This is a last at letter C. Okay, and thanks. I shout out for Edmar Vlog at the Middle East, Pinoy Trackers here in Canada. Shout out for you everything, all the drivers. It's good. Give me a big thumbs up, all the drivers. Yeah. Hey guys, so thank you so much. So remind ko lang ulit, kaya ko to nire-adjust for interval for maintenance only. This is almost 5 years here in equipment without touch. This is a first time. I think it's 10,000 hours more than, so yeah. And what is next? Yeah, this is a QSX15 2015 model, I think. I'm not sure. Let's check. Yeah. Oh, sorry guys, this is a manufacturer date is 2016, so it's almost brand new. This is the first time. Okay, so again, longer arm, rocker arm is intake, small is exhaust. So intake is 14,000 of an inch, exhaust is 27,000 of an inch. Okay guys, torque of the lock nut both is, I give it 36 foot-pound maximum. Okay. Alright guys, so we hope enjoying my video, and please support in my channel at machinehealer.com. Thank you so much and have a good day.